Happy Thanksgiving, my lovely children, adult children. I know you must have loved your turkey dinners with all the trimmings. That's fantastic. Well, guess what? They ran out of turkeys at Walmart. So I bought a Canadian beef AAA Angus, and it is the most tenderest meat you can ever imagine. It's the beef rib roast. So anything with rib is extremely like fall off the bone type deal. So I am going to cook it in my trusty rival crock pot here that I got as a gift in Castlegar from one of my neighbors before I left. And I'm gonna get her going. I'll send you a picture once everything is done. Just gonna have some mashed potatoes and salad with it. Okay, peace out, love you all. Happy Thanksgiving, Remington and Nixon, Sophia Martin, Lindsay and James. Okay. Talk to you later. Alright, I got her cooking. So I'm using a new recipe. 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I was out of Dijon, so I used honey mustard. 3 tablespoons, yes, I said it right, 3 tablespoons of Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and it called for horseradish. I didn't have any, so I used 3 tablespoons of my ground ginger and garlic here in my thrifty little National ginger and garlic paste. So I put 3 of those in, and to replace the horseradish. And then I just cut slits in my roast beef, crossways, kind of like a checkerboard, both ways. And I just put the paste in the cracks and on the top. And I just got some carrots, corn, and potatoes. There is liquid just barely underneath the potatoes, and I don't want it to come up too far, the liquid, because it will overflow. There's going to be a lot of juices coming out of the prime roast beef. So I'll show you what it looks like once it's all done. Okay, peace out.